Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.98 trillion. Wow. We're sitting right below that $2 trillion mark, but one thing to keep in mind is that we are up 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, boy, we are seeing major green across the board, after quite some time. And, whenever we see green in the markets, it is a very, very exciting time for the overall markets. So we will definitely take this green day, but things, that we need to keep in mind right now is we're still in the weekend. As you guys may know, weekends tend to have a lot of manipulation across the board because CME futures are closed. Also, Bitcoin is still in the shaky end of the spectrum, even though we did see a nice move towards the upside, which we will get into later in this video. But still, guys, we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on this channel, and that's none other than Solana. All right, my Solana family, if we are looking at the Solana price right now, we are currently trading at $92.84. Up 3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 8 spot. Market cap right now is just below that $30 billion mark. To be exact, $29.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.58 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Solana is still up 550%, so let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Solana. But now, let's get right into the prices. But before we get into that exciting stuff, I want to say that this video is brought to you by OKX. If you guys don't know what OKX is, guys, OKX is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the cryptocurrency markets, without a doubt. And, I love this exchange. I've personally used this exchange for quite some time, and I could recommend this exchange without a doubt to any crypto trader if you are ever wanting to see a new centralized exchange. And OKX is by far one of the biggest ones. You guys can literally do everything on this exchange. Most of the altcoins are available to be purchased on this exchange. You're a one-stop shop cryptocurrency platform. You can discover, explore the world of DeFi, dApps, NFTs, and GameFi, buy crypto, convert over 30 local currencies into Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other cryptocurrencies in minutes using your credit card or other payment method. And you can trade crypto on the world's most powerful exchange with tools for beginners, advanced traders, and institution. You can grow, earn high yield, access new tokens. You could join their mining pool or use your crypto assets for taking out low interest loans. And also you can learn, keep up with the crypto, and hone your skill with tutorials, market analysis, and research. I love this exchange, guys. I will only promote something that I truly believe in, that I have used to my viewers, because I love my viewers and I take care of my viewers and I treat them as family. And this exchange, without a doubt, is one of the best exchanges, one of the best experiences I ever received using an exchange. And customer support on this exchange is literally top notch, guys. Top notch customer experience. So hit the link in the description box below. Join this exchange, guys. I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. So now let's get right into the charts and see what's going on with the price of Solana and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see we are sitting in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $92.97. Still in the 78.6, been trading sideways for quite some time since the beginning of this year. We have seen the price of Solana hover around this price point. And now comes a question that everyone wants to know. What is most likely going to happen with the price of Solana in the immediate short term? So you know what? Let's monitor the price of Bitcoin right now, because as I have mentioned earlier in this video, Bitcoin is making some nice strides across the markets, and that should not be ignored right now. Bitcoin has seen a bounce back towards the upside over the past 24 hours, and that is creating a lot of excitement once again within the cryptocurrency space. But one thing to keep in mind right now is I am still not out of the woods yet, or I'm not 100% convinced. I'm very picky when it comes down to the price of Bitcoin. We do need to keep one thing in mind, is that today is a weekend. We do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board. But right now, we will definitely obviously take an overall upwards rally that we are seeing right now, an upwards trend. But I am still not convinced until we see the price of Bitcoin break above this level at that $46,200 price point, which is a major level of resistance, guys. We have not been over that price point since the beginning of this year, so you can really see how important this is. But one thing to keep in mind is we are creating, higher lows, as you can see. And that is something definitely nice to see. We are seeing a bullish upwards channel creating, and that's one thing I like seeing right now. So, we are, looking good for the short and medium term, but we do need to break this level of resistance in order for me to personally believe that, things are starting to heat up once again. But when it comes down to Solana, guys, Solana has consolidated, as I have mentioned, but it's not only Solana that has seen this kind of consolidation over the past couple months. It's the entire cryptocurrency market that has seen this happen. And we are seeing, a major support level being built around this price range now. So what comes, I believe that we might be in for an upwards trend occurring if Bitcoin were to break out towards the upside very, very soon. And obviously Solana is going to react with that, because Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, is pulling towards the downside. And if we do see this number continue to pull down, we will see altcoins outpace Bitcoin, and we will see Solana obviously, start taking action as well. So things are looking very, very nice, but we need to break out of this level of resistance at that $110 mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we are currently away about 18%. 18%. So that's not that bad. If Bitcoin were to see that move, I would not be surprised if Solana breaks above that price point. So things are definitely heating up right now. And traditionally speaking, the month of April, from my previous experiences, I do tend to see the month of April as a bullish month in the cryptocurrency space. We do tend to see quite some green. But one thing to keep in mind is, over the past 3 months, basically from the beginning of this year, we have seen a lot of consolidation, a lot of red across the markets. But I think this time around, we might be in for some move towards the upside, especially if Bitcoin breaks above this level of resistance. Things could really start getting very, very exciting. So right now, my target right now for the price of Solana is to break above here, but most importantly, break above the $122 price point. And once we break out of here, we could be heading back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and revisiting this price point at the $150 mark. So if we're taking that into consideration, the price right now is still quite low right now. Again, this is just my own personal opinion. We do need to monitor the price of Bitcoin very closely, because at the end of the day, as you guys may know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. If Bitcoin pulls down, and if this was a clear fake out, then obviously the entire cryptocurrency market is going to react, and Solana is no exception. But long-term speaking, guys, you guys already know my stance on Solana and how I believe this is going to be one of the projects of the future. If we are going on staking rewards, guys, numbers don't lie. Numbers never lie. Staking rewards, the number one most staked asset in the crypto space, without a doubt, is Solana. 75% of the circulation supply is literally being staked right now, and these are people staking it. Not only retail, but we're also seeing institutions being interested in Solana, and this interest is only going to build up as time goes by. Even in a downwards market, guys, people are scooping. numbers don't lie. And projects like Solana with such a high stake value, guess what that creates? When a market overall reversal does happen, these kind of projects, guys, do tend to rebound way faster than the majority of the cryptocurrency markets. And that's one thing we have seen in the past, and we will definitely see that in the future as well. But that is it for today's Solana update, guys. You guys know my stance. I'm a huge believer on Solana, but let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where could you see the price of Solana go at the end of this year. And let me know what your thoughts are on the overall cryptocurrency market momentum. Leave it in the comment section below. And if I can ask you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, that's literally all I'll ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Literally from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and